ug dinhi ning atong tulumanon. Inyong masayran ang kamaturan kay sa kamaturan.
By the Dicastery for the Doctrine of the Faith, November 13, bago ito 2023. In its response to His Excellency, Most Reverend Julio Cortez, Bishop of Dumaguete, nagpadala at ang bishop sa Dumaguete patungkol sa ano na yung stand ng simbahan na about Freemasonry. No? In its response to His Excellency, Most Reverend Julio Cortez, Bishop of Dumaguete, Philippines, the ban of joining Freemasonry covers the lay faithful, religious, and the clergy. So yung ano, nagpatuloy pa rin kapatid, no? Na ang the ban of joining Freemasonry covers the lay faithful, religious, and the clergy. Declaration of the Congregation for Doctrine of the Faith regarding Masonic Association. Ito po, ibinabasa ko lang wala po akong personal opinion. So, ito yung official statement ng simbahan. It has been asked whether there has been any change in the church decision with regard to Masonic associations since the new Code of Canon Law does not mention them expressly, unlike the previous code. This secret congregation, so isa sa mga nagpadala ng sulat ang ating mahal na obispo si Bishop Cortez. Ito yung sagot. The secret congregation is in a possession to reply that this circumstance, in due to an editorial criterion which was followed also in the case of other associations likewise unmentioned, in as much as they are contained in wider categories. Therefore, the Church's negative judgment, ito na po, with regard to Masonic association remains unchanged, no? Since their principles have always been considered irreconcilable with the doctrine of the church, and therefore membership in them remains forbidden. Pinagbabawal pa rin. The faithful who enroll in Masonic association are in a state of grave sin and may not receive Holy Communion. No, mabigat po ito Bago po ito. Ito po yung sagot sa Congregation of the Doctrine of Faith. Walang nagbabago. It is not within the competence of local ecclesiastical authority to give a judgment on the nature of Masonic associations, which will imply a derogation from what has been decided above, and this in line with the declaration of the Sacred Congregation issued on February 17, 1981, patuloy pa rin. In an audience granted to the undersigned Cardinal Prefect, the Supreme Pontiff John Paul II approved and ordered the publication of this declaration, which had been decided in an ordinary meeting of this sacred congregation. So patuloy pa rin, no? Nakalabag po tayo So yung ginawa ng ating mahal na pari, kung basahin natin ito, walang, sabi dito, no? To give judgment, it is not within the competence of local ecclesiastical authorities. Kahit obispo, hindi dapat siya sumuway sa hindi ko alam kung ano yung intention. Wala pa namang, maghintay lang tayo hindi naman siya nagpa-member, no? Hindi ko alam kung alam ba niya na yung i-bless niya ay Masonic Lodge, no? Hindi ko alam. Basta, hindi naman sinasabi doon na naging member siya, no? No. Example, yung pari, no? Father, may pagpa-bless na bagong bahay doon. So, pupunta yung pari. Kailang pa-schedule ng blessing, di ba? Hindi ko alam, hindi tayo maka-judge sa pari dahil hindi pa natin nakausap yung pari. Hindi naman siya member, di ba? Hindi naman sinasabi doon sa picture na member siya. Siguro yung for example sa akin, may pupunta dito. Father, may bagong business establishment. Ipa-bless mo. Pupuntahan natin. Pagpunta natin doon, hindi natin alam na Freemason office pala, no? So hindi ko alam, hindi ako maka-judge sa pari, pero kung maging member siya, it is forbidden, greatly forbidden by the church. So ang ito yung prinsipyo ng simbahan, yung teaching ng simbahan in relation to Freemasonry, hindi po nagbabago. Walang nagbabago, kapatid. Patuloy pa rin. Sabi dito ng simbahan, the faithful who enroll in Masonic associations are in a state of grave sin and may not receive Holy Communion. So yan ang sabi ng simbahan, hindi po ako nagsasabi niyan. At sa pari, wala akong, no comment ako sa pari dahil hindi natin nakausap yung pari. Di ba? Hindi natin natanong yung pari na alam ba niya na it is a Masonic lodge yung i-bless niya. Hindi ko alam. No? Dahil hindi na interview yung pari, di ba? So, mahirap na tayo ng conclusion. Hindi naman sinasabi doon sa na siya ay member. Bahan dito, the including the cleric, no? The ban of joining Freemasonry covers not only the lay faithful, religious, and the clergy. Pero yung picture, hindi naman nangangahulugan na member siya. Hindi ko alam talaga, hindi ako makapagbigay ng komento sa pari to give justice din sa pari. Pero yung teaching ng simbahan, nagpatuloy pa rin din yung ban of joining Freemasonry. No? Malinaw na malinaw, binabasa ko po ito Ito po yung official na statement ng simbahan. Therefore, the church's negative judgment with regard to Masonic association remains unchanged. Hindi nagbabago. Since their principles have always been considered irreconcilable with the doctrine of the church, and therefore membership in them remains forbidden. The faithful who enroll in Masonic association are in a state of grave sin and may not receive Holy Communion. So, malinaw na malinaw yan sa sinabi ng ating at dito din, may renouncement po na sa first degree, I renounce the oaths. May oaths pala yung mga Freemason. And curses involved in the first or entered apprentice degree, especially their effects on the throat and tongue. So, yan po sa first degree. Sa second degree din, I renounce the oaths taken and curses involved in the second and philocraft degree of masonry. May third degree din. I renounce the oaths taken and curses involved in the third or master mason hanggang 33rd degree. Nandito po yan. So, meaning to say, may occult involvement po ito. So, nandito po sa kung nakikita natin sa ritual ng simbahan, so may occult spirits, no, attached by them. But mismo ang official teaching ng simbahan, binabasa ko na, is unchanged hanggang ngayon, kapatid. So, sa picture at sa pag-bless ng pare, hindi ko alam kung alam ba niya na yung i-bless niya ay Masonic na symbol. Hindi ko alam. Dahil hindi natin natanong yung pare. Kung magbigay tayo ng negatibong komento, hindi natin alam yung buong pangyayari, yung context ng pare, it is injustice to his part. Hindi naman sinasabi doon na member siya, kapatid. Brother Vincent?
Okay po, Father. Maraming salamat po. At may naka-raise po ng hand si Sis Heart. Sis Heart, pa-unmute po. Open cam na din po. Thank you.
Good evening po, Father.
Oy! Good evening, kapatid.
Ako sa lahat before po ako mag-ask ng testing ko po. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat po, sir, sa inyo. At saka, nandun na po sila sa London, Sis Meg. Nakadating na po sila ng safe nung
Ug inyo nang nabati ang mga kamatuoran dinhi ning atong tulumanon. kay unsay kamaturan. Ako lang hinaot, kadaghang kamog nakatunan. Daghang salamat.